Hello, my soul family. Hope you all are doing good. I am very happy today as I did a little bit of dressing up today because of this celebration. What I have made is behind me. Come, let's take you along. See what I have made. Come, let's chant together with devotion. Om Namah Parvati Pataye Har Har Mahadev. Without any further delay, let's get started the making process of this masterpiece. The good intention behind this sacred art of clay calligraphy is not only an inspiration for artistic expression but also serves as a profound invocation of divinity. To begin with the Trishul and the phrase Har Har Mahadev, and gradually the Damru, the Vashuki and the Shivalinga hold deep roots in Hinduism, resonating profoundly with the reverence for Lord Shiva, one of the principal deities within the religion. The phrase Har Har Mahadev holds significant meaning in Hinduism and is commonly used as a powerful mantra to invoke Lord Shiva, one of the principal deities in Hindu temples. The term Har is derived from the word Hari, which means supreme being who removes obstacles and grants blessings. Mahadev translates to great God, referring to Lord Shiva's status as the ultimate deity. The chant of Har Har Mahadev is deeply rooted in Hindu culture, is often recited by devotees during religious ceremonies, rituals and prayers. It is believed that this mantra has the power to cleanse the mind, body and the soul and bring peace, prosperity and protection to the individual. Furthermore, chanting this mantra is said to create a strong spiritual connection with Lord Shiva and invoke his divine energy into one's life. In the Hindu scriptures, Lord Shiva is revered as the destroyer of evil and the pioneer of transformation and regeneration. His name is synonymous with eternal consciousness, inner peace and enlightenment. The month of Savan is going on. In Hinduism, the month of Savan is considered highly auspicious for worshipping Lord Shiva, and devotees dedicate this month to him with prayers, fasting and special rituals. Now, here's why Lord Shiva is particularly worshipped during Savan. There are 3-4 stories behind this. Samudra Manthan is one of them. According to Hindu mythology, Samudra Manthan took place during the month of Savan. During this event, a deadly poison emerged, and Lord Shiva consumed it to protect the universe, turning his throat blue. This act of sacrifice, protection, is a key reason for Shiva's reverence during Savan. Another story behind these rituals is Lord Vishnu's yogic sleep. It is believed that during Savan, Lord Vishnu enters a state of yogic sleep, Yoga Nidra, and Lord Shiva takes on the responsibility of protecting and maintaining the universe. Another belief is that Goddess Parvati performed severe atonement throughout the month of Savan to attain Lord Shiva as her husband. Her devotion pleased Lord Shiva and he eventually accepted her as his wife. This legend further emphasized the importance of Savan for Shiva devotees. The worship of Lord Shiva during the Savan months is believed to bring peace, prosperity, and fulfillment of desires to the devotees. It is a time for introspection, purification, and spiritual growth. The devotion shown towards Lord Shiva during this auspicious month are a testament to the deep connection that Hindus have with their faith and traditions. In conclusion, the story behind worshipping Lord Shiva during the Savan months is a reminder of the power and grace of the divine. It is a time for devotees to strengthen their bond with Lord Shiva, seek his blessings, and deepen their spiritual practice. Many devotees visit Lord Shiva temples and participate in special pujas or Rudrabhishek by offering his favorite things like milk, water, bilva leaves, fruits, curd, honey, butter, bhasma, dhatura, and akan flowers. Some devotees also observe the ritual of Kawad Yatra, where they carry holy water from river Ganga to offer to Lord Shiva at their local temple. According to Hindu scriptures, the Kawad Yatra was firstly started by King Ravana. Ravana was one of the great devotees of Lord Shiva. When he listened the painful story of drinking poison by Lord Shiva, he also made a plan to offer Ganga water on Shivalinga on that Treta Yuga. As soon as Lord Shiva consumed the poison, his body temperature skyrocketed, causing immense heat to radiate from his body. In order to cool down the body heat of Lord Shiva, all gods and demons, including Asuras, tried to find a solution. Seeing Lord Shiva suffering, the gods and demons approached him with offering water. Each god and demon offered a pot of water, hoping to soothe the burning sensation in Lord Shiva's body. However, none of the water offered by gods and demons was able to cool down Lord Shiva's body. It was then Lord Vishnu intervened and advised the gods and demons to offer Ganga water to Lord Shiva. Following Lord Vishnu's advice, everyone collectively poured the sacred Ganga water on Lord Shiva's body. The cool and purifying properties of Ganga water helped to reduce the burning sensation in Lord Shiva's body. As a result, the universe was saved from the destruction. The story symbolizes the selflessness and sacrifice of Lord Shiva, who willingly took on the burden of consuming the deadly poison to save the world. It also highlights the unity and cooperation between gods and demons in times of crisis. Now, who would not be attracted and fall in love with Lord Shiva by listening this powerful tale of sacrifice and devotion? In Hindu mythology, Lord Shiva is often depicted holding a Damru and a Trishul. These powerful symbols hold deep significance and are believed to represent various aspects of Lord Shiva's character and powers. The Damru is a small drum shaped like an hourglass that is often depicted as being played by Lord Shiva. The sound of the Damru is said to create the rhythm of the universe and is believed to symbolize the cosmic sound of AUM. It is also said that the Damru's sound represents the heartbeat of Lord Shiva, which beats continuously to create and destroy the universe. On the other hand, the Trishul is a three-pronged spear that is wielded by Lord Shiva as a symbol of his power. Each prong of the Trishul represents the three aspects of creation, preservation, and destruction, which are associated with Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu, and Lord Shiva respectively. In Hindu mythology, Lord Shiva is often depicted wearing a snake around his neck. This snake is believed to be Vashuki, the king of the nagas. According to legend, Vashuki wrapped himself around the Mount Mandara to churn the ocean of milk in order to obtain the elixir of immortality. By watching the devotion of Vashuki, Lord Shiva placed him on his neck. Wearing Vashuki is a symbol of his mastery over death and his ability to transcend mortality. Overall, all these symbols serve as a reminder of eternal cycle of life, death, and rebirth, and the cosmic forces that govern the universe. The Shivalinga, a significant symbol, which is not merely a phallic symbol as often misconceived, but rather a complex representation of creation, fertility, and cosmic universe. At its core, the Shivalinga embodies the unity of the male and female principles of the creation. In Hindu cosmology, it symbolizes the formlessness of Shiva as well as his immanence in the world. The linga is often depicted as a cylindrical stone or object, sometimes accompanied by a circular base known as a yoni or hand, which represents the goddess Shakti, the feminine energy. This interplay between the Shivalinga and the yoni is a powerful metaphor for the interplay of Shakti and Shiva, illustrating their interdependent existence in the cycle of creation and destruction. In Advaita Vedanta philosophy, the Shivalinga is referred as a representation of ultimate reality of Brahman. The linga represents not only the divine masculine but also alludes to the sacred feminine, urging a balanced perspective that celebrates both energies in the quest for wholeness. The formless aspect of the divine encourages individuals to look beyond the material and transcend nature of existence and connect with the eternal essence of reality. This philosophical approach seeks to bridge the gap between the seen and the unseen, guiding individuals towards self-realization and a deeper understanding of their place in the universe. There are so many things remained to be discussed. In conclusion, the concept of Lord Shiva is a blend of destruction and regeneration, domesticity, wisdom, and cosmic energy. I have tried my best through this artistic representation of Shiva's element to better understanding of Lord Shiva's character, teachings, and his existence in the nature. Hope you all love this technique of clay calligraphy and the contemporary art form of clay crafting. My humble request to subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching my videos and keep supporting. Stay tuned for the next. Till then, bye bye. Namaste.